Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making the pistol safe, unload, remove the magazine, and visually confirm the chamber is clear. Once done, clamp the slide in the pusher's cradle so it sits level. Use a thin shim if one side rides higher. Next, loosen the sight mount set screws just enough to let the sight move. This prevents binding and lets the pusher head press squarely. Make sure the pusher head is centered over the sight, because proper contact prevents bending the sight or the dovetail. You now begin the pressing action in controlled increments. Turn the pusher handle clockwise a quarter turn at a time and watch the sight shift. Because dovetails can bind, move slowly and recenter the slide occasionally so pressure stays perpendicular. If resistance suddenly increases, back off and clear debris. Tapping the sight gently with a nylon punch can free it. Once the sight is moving smoothly, continue steady. Small advances until the sight reaches the desired. You finish by securing the sight. Tighten the set screws to the recommended torque and confirm there's no lateral play. Once tightened, cycle the slide several times to ensure no interference with the frame or sights. Then perform a live fire check at 7-10 yards to verify your zero and adjust if necessary. If the sight bound during pressing, reverse the pusher a few turns, reposition, and gently reseat the sight with light nylon strikes. This corrects distorted dovetails without forcing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.